Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you've ever struggled with buy and sell signals, then this video is for you, okay? Because in this video, we are diving into the B-Xtrender Indicator, and it's actually one of the leading buy and sell signals indicators on TradingView, right? And this indicator gives you real-time trade opportunities and helps traders to stay ahead of price movements. So stay tuned because this is a must-have for any serious trader, right? Now, this indicator does not guarantee profits, okay? Just take note of that. And actually, you can benefit quite a lot from the indicator, but it doesn't mean that the indicator is a holy grail or something, right? It's not, okay? Just that it could be a beneficial addition to your trading toolkit. Now let's just quickly jump into what we have for this video. Many indicators react after price moves have already happened, right? But by the time they signal an entry or exit, the best opportunity might already be gone. So this is why traders look for leading indicators, right? We talked about leading indicators in the previous video, right? Leading and lagging indicators. You might want to check them out. Leading indicators are the ones that gives you, a heads up before a move takes place. While lagging indicators are the ones that usually, react after price has already moved. Okay. So that's the reason why leading indicators are usually more preferable, because they give insights before big market moves occur. Okay, so now the B-Xtrender indicator is designed to provide real-time buy and sell signals, helping traders enter and exit the market at high probability zones. So instead of waiting for confirmation from lagging indicators, the B-Xtrender proactively identifies potential trade setups, okay, making it a powerful tool for short-term and long-term traders alike. Now, here's why the B-Xtrender indicator is a game changer. One is because it provides leading buy and sell signals. So no more waiting for delayed confirmations. You can see that the signals is quite straightforward, right? Whenever you have the green line, first of all, the green dot appears showing you that a potential bullish move is about to happen. That's the first sign. The green dot appears. You can see when the green dot appeared, price was still consolidating. If you look closely, when the green dot appeared, you can see that price was still consolidating. So it's a leading indicator. It gave you a heads up that a bullish move is incoming. After that, the line turned green. After that, the line climbed above the zero level. Can you see? It's a process. After that, the histogram bars, the green histogram bars started forming. So with all these happenings, it shows that a bullish move is really incoming. So if you had entered on time, let's say you had entered a buy trade around here after the first histogram bar formed, then you would have set your stop loss below the previous swing low, right? And for your take profit, you can just use, resistance zones, or you can just target, when the red dot forms. When the red dot forms, you exit your buy. Or you even wait for when the red line forms and even drops back below the zero level, depending on your risk appetite, or your tolerance for holding trades for longer. So you can just even exit when the red line forms and crosses back below the zero level, because in that case it's going to be somewhat more convincing that the buy trend could actually be coming to an end, even though we eventually had a continuation. But you can just use the crossing below the zero level as your signal to exit your buy. Okay, so this indicator is quite effective, right? And then let's look for an example, of a sell trade. I'm going to recommend using this indicator in the trending market. Okay, so I won't exactly advise trading against the trend. Yeah, that's the reason why for a sell trade I have to look for a sell trend. Okay, so in this case now we can see that we got a sell signal around here, and then you can see the line. Okay, in fact it started around here, right? Because this is where the trend started. We had a buy trend before. Yes, and then this was where we had a change of character, right? So the sell trend started somewhere around here. Yeah, so we had a sell signal here at first, and then the red line formed, the red dot initially formed, and then the red line formed, and then it dropped below the zero level around here. So this would have been a great place to enter a sell. Yeah, and then okay, after you get confirmation, of course. So if you're gonna enter a sell around there, you're gonna have consider setting stop loss above the previous swing high, right? And then your take profits can just be at support zones. Yeah, you can just use nearest key support zones for your take profit, or you can just decide to wait for maybe when the green line forms and crosses above the zero level, and you exit your sell. Okay, now you can see that this particular sell move did not even last for too long. It seems like this was even a pullback still. This was a pullback, right? In the larger trend it was still a pullback, but at least it was a pullback that still gave a tangible opportunity to sell, right? Because if you had entered a sell around here and maybe you had exited around here, well, you'd have caught some pips, or maybe you exited around here, whichever one, you'd have caught some, reasonable number of pips, right? So basically, when using this B-Xtrender indicator, just ensure that you are trading in the direction of the prevailing trend, okay, to be on the safer side, all right? And the indicator works on Forex, stocks, crypto, and indices, okay? And, it helps refine entry and exit points, effectively. And of course, you can actually, customize the settings to fit to your trading style, right? It has customizable settings. Okay. Now, using the B-Xtrender indicator on TradingView is simple. So, once added to your chart, it visually marks. You can see that it visually, marks important, areas, you know, for buy and sell opportunities right here in the indicator window, right? You can see the dots, the line and all of that. The functionality of the indicators basically makes it easy to spot buy and sell trading opportunities. Okay, so you can actually tweak the settings to fit your strategy, whether you prefer scalping, swing trading, or day trading. Okay, if you're looking for a leading buy and sell signal indicator that gives you a real edge in the market, then the B-Xtrender indicator is worth checking out. All right, the understanding when to enter and exit trade is crucial, and this indicator makes it easier than ever to do just that. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another trading tip. Drop a comment below if you've tried the B-Xtrender indicator, or if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.